Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joshua Franson, and we've been relatively clear throughout today, and we've had some haze on the horizon, but that's going to change with cloud cover and wildfire smoke. So let's first take a look at the cloud cover on future track here. Relatively clear or mostly clear, but as we progress through the day, we're starting to see these clouds shift down from the northwest. There is some lingering showers and storms over North and South Dakota and Nebraska, and that's going to just shed clouds right over our location. So in the afternoon, we start to see these clouds build in our western counties. This will slowly fill up our coverage area throughout the evening, and then we also start to see some spotty showers come down from Minnesota, but they struggle to get into our area, maybe being in our far northwestern counties before they eventually into early tomorrow morning do make it down, but overall contain very, very light rain. This will persist into tomorrow afternoon, leaving us with just some light showers and mostly cloudy skies before we do clear up eventually into the evening hours. Wildfire smoke is also planned to thin out. We are a little thicker this evening, or just about middle of the road, but overnight we do see those blues pop in and we do thin out, and that's going to help our air quality and visibility, and this will persist into tomorrow evening. Winds today, though, they're going to stay fairly light and calm, so we might have to deal with that haze just for a little bit longer. We're going to have to wait until the evening before we can move that smoke out, but we'll mainly be out of the east and then swap to the southeast and be fairly light at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. But further ahead, those wind speeds are going to go up and they're going to come from the south. And that's going to drive up our temperatures. And Thursday, you see this, they kick out of the southeast or south-southeast at about 15 miles an hour. And this carries till Saturday, and we start to see the temperature climb when they swap, especially out of the south, before eventually dropping back down on Tuesday when we get some more northwesterly winds to cool us down. But that is going to drive up our dew points. Watch how the dew points skyrocket here on Saturday. We start out in the slightly humid, comfortable category, and we have two nice days, Wednesday and Thursday, at 57 and 58, very comfortable. And then Friday is fairly comfortable as well, but Saturday we just jump 9 degrees in dew point up to 70 degrees, so quite uncomfortable outside. And that's mainly because we have a high pressure ridge that's going to move right over our area. Right now it's just sort of chilling out over the desert southwest. But as we progress further in the week, we start to see it begin to intensify and then head our way. By about Friday, it is sitting just south of Iowa, and then into the weekend, it just comes right up to our state and decides to pay us a visit, which is going to give us those warm temperatures on Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday, because it just remains over us before it eventually moves off towards the Great Lakes, allowing us to cool down just a little bit. So your forecasted highs, watch how it spikes up here. We get up into the 90s on Sunday and Monday, just after we have these really cool temperatures on Wednesday, Thursday. So enjoy these while they last, because we are going to jump up this weekend, and then we'll return to about normal into next week. Temperature outlook is showing the first week of school, the 25th through the 29th. We are going to be a lot warmer than normal and quite hot and humid. So just keep that in mind when you're sending your kids to school. Make sure they have plenty of water and they're wearing light, loose-fitting clothing. And then, so for today, we can expect our highs to be in the mid to upper 70s, increasing clouds. A little bit hazy as that wildfire smoke remains. But into tonight, we'll clear out a bit. We'll have more clouds, but the smoke will clear out. And we'll be sitting in about the mid to upper 50s, and maybe a stray shower or two at a 10% chance. City-by-city forecast showing us that by Wednesday, we will be sitting just cooler. We'll have a very cool day, sitting in the lower to mid 70s, partly cloudy, very nice outside, very pleasant, especially with the low dew points. Thursday, we jump up just a little bit, still remain in the upper 70s, lower 80s, partly cloudy skies. But into our 10-day forecast, as we get into Friday, a shower chance, maybe some storms on Saturday, but then we see those temperatures begin to drive up Sunday into Monday. So just keep that in mind in the next week, and then Tuesday, maybe some more rain.